Greetings from Edu Aspirants, our YouTube channel for competitive exams. Let us learn chemistry, elements, compounds and mixtures. Elements, compounds and mixtures. Sodium is an example of element. Sodium chloride is a compound. Salt water is a mixture. Classification of matter on the basis of chemical composition. On the basis of chemical composition, matter can be classified as pure substances and impure substances. Pure substances further classified as elements and compounds. Example of elements: hydrogen, carbon and iron. Examples of compounds: water, ammonia. Elements can be further classified as metals. Example: silver. Non-metals. Example: sulfur. Metalloids. Example: arsenic. Noble gases: helium. Impure substances are of two types: homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. Examples of homogeneous mixtures: salt solution, alcohol and water. Examples of heterogeneous mixtures: soil and wood. A pure substance is a homogeneous material which contains particles of only one kind with a fixed composition and cannot be separated into other kinds of matter by simple physical means. A pure substance is either an element or a compound. Impure substances are necessarily a mixture of two or more elements or compounds, and they have different compositions and properties in their different parts. Elements. Robert Boyle was the first scientist to use the term element in 1661. An element is a pure substance that is composed of only one kind of atoms. At present, 118 elements are known. Out of these, only 94 are naturally occurring, rest are synthetic. Characteristics of an element. Each element consists of only one kind of atoms. No two elements contain the same kind of atoms. An element may exist as an individual atom or as molecules made up of identical atoms. For example, aluminium, iron, mercury exist as monoatomic molecules. Oxygen O2, nitrogen N2 exist as diatomic molecules. Phosphorus P4 exists as a tetraatomic molecule. Elements have their own melting and boiling points. An element cannot be broken down into simpler substances by physical or chemical means. Classification of elements. Based on their properties, elements are classified into metals, non-metals, metalloids. Metals are lustrous, usually have silver or grey color. Non-metals do not have luster. Exceptions: graphite and iodine have luster. Metalloids are elements which have properties of both metals and non-metals. Metals are ductile, malleable and good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are neither ductile nor malleable and are bad conductor of electricity. Exception: graphite. Metalloids are semiconductors. Metals have a tendency to lose electrons and form cations, and they act as good reducing agents. Non-metals have a tendency to gain electrons and form anions, act as good oxidizing agents. Exception: graphite is a reducing agent. Example of metalloids: arsenic, germanium, antimony, tellurium, silicon. Metals are generally hard except sodium and potassium. Non-metals are brittle and exist in all three physical states. Bromine is the only non-metal that exists only as a liquid. Metalloids look like metals but are brittle like non-metals. Metals have high melting points and boiling points. Exception: mercury is a liquid at room temperature. Non-metals have low melting points and boiling points. Exception: diamond. Metals have high densities. Osmium is the densest naturally occurring element, while lithium has least density. Non-metals have low density. Compounds. A compound is a pure substance composed of two or more elements, chemically in fixed proportions by mass. The properties of a compound are different from the properties of its constituent elements. Characteristics of a compound. Compounds have a homogeneous composition. The elements in a compound are present in it in a fixed ratio by mass. The properties of compounds are different from those of the elements of which they are made. The separation of a compound into its elements is possible only by chemical means. Examples: sodium chloride, glucose, urea, acetone, water, etc. Mixtures. A mixture is made up of two or more elements or compounds mechanically mixed together in any proportion, and its properties are that of its components. Properties of mixtures. A mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. The composition of a mixture is variable. A mixture has no definite set of properties and the components retain their properties. A mixture does not have definite melting point or boiling point. The constituents of a mixture can be easily separated by physical methods such as filtration, evaporation, distillation, centrifugation, sublimation, and by using a magnet like here. Sulfur and iron mixture can be separated with the help of magnet. Types of mixtures. Mixtures are of two types: homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures. The different components of homogeneous mixtures are uniformly mixed and there are no boundaries of separation between them. Homogeneous mixtures consist of only one phase, solid, liquid or gaseous, of matter. Examples: common salt solution, soft drinks, seawater, stainless steel, etc. Sugar and water when mixed together form homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures. In heterogeneous mixtures, different components of the mixture are not uniformly mixed and there are visible boundaries of separation between them. Examples: sand and water, milk, paint, soil and gunpowder which contains potassium nitrate, sulfur and charcoal. Sand and water mix together to form heterogeneous mixture. This brings us to the end of the video on elements, compounds and mixtures in the series of videos on chemistry. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe, like, share our videos and press the bell icon to receive notification on uploads. Thank you.